Looking for the best printer to print your greeting cards at home? The quality of your creations significantly hinges on the printer you use. We're going to explore 3 printers, each tailored to different budgets and needs. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of printing, exploring 3 printers that promise to bring your creations to life. First up, we have the Canon Pixma TS9521C, a budget-friendly companion for hobbyists. This versatile printer offers a host of features that make it ideal for crafting enthusiasts. One of the key highlights of this model is its ability to print on a variety of card sizes. Whether you're crafting a small, intimate note or a large, bold statement, this printer has got you covered. But that's not all. The Canon Pixma TS9521C also boasts wireless printing, allowing you to print directly from your smartphone or tablet. No more fiddling with cables or transferring files to your computer. Plus, it offers other notable features like auto document feeder and built-in patterns, providing an extra level of convenience and creativity for your projects. And the best part? This printer delivers all these features without burning a hole in your pocket. With the Canon Pixma TS9521C, you don't have to break the bank to print high-quality greeting cards. Next on our list is the Canon Pixma Pro 200, a mid-range marvel perfect for a home office. This dynamic printer is a game-changer for those who desire crisp, vibrant, and high-quality prints. With an 8-color dye ink system, it ensures an exceptional level of color accuracy that will make your greeting cards pop with life. The speed of the Pixma Pro 200 is another feature worth noting. It efficiently prints without compromising the quality, making it an excellent choice for those with a busy schedule. The quality of its prints is truly remarkable. Whether you're printing intricate designs or simple text, every detail is captured with stunning clarity. This printer thrives in a home office setting, providing a professional touch to all your printing needs. Whether it's greeting cards for special occasions or promotional material for your home business, the Canon Pixma Pro 200 has got you covered. The Canon Pixma Pro 200 offers professional-level printing in the comfort of your home. Last but not least, we have the Epson EcoTank Photo ET9550, a high-end haven for at-home business professionals. This printer is the epitome of high quality and efficiency. It boasts high-capacity tanks, which not only means fewer refills but also significant cost savings in the long run. But the Epson EcoTank doesn't stop there. It's known for its exceptional print quality, bringing your greeting card designs to life with vibrant colors and crisp, clear lines. Every detail of your design will pop, impressing your clients and making your cards stand out from the crowd. Its reliability and performance make it an excellent choice for those running a greeting card business from home. With the Epson EcoTank Photo ET9550, you're not just investing in a printer, you're investing in the future success of your business. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET9550 is a worthwhile investment for those serious about their greeting card business. So, there you have it. 3 excellent printers for printing greeting cards at home. Let's do a quick recap. The Canon Pixma TS9521C, a budget-friendly companion, is perfect for hobbyists who wish to create charming cards without breaking the bank. For those running a home office, the Canon Pixma Pro 200 is a mid-range marvel, striking a balance between cost and quality. And if you're a home-based business professional seeking the best of the best, the Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550 is your high-end haven, offering unrivaled print quality. No matter your budget or requirements, there's a printer in this list tailored for your needs. Remember, the links to these printers are in the top comment and description below. Happy printing!